Dash finals underway. First round. And the gate drops down. We've got 6 riders in this moto here. We got Clark, Erickson, Hill, Jensen, and Thiessen. Looks like Clark and Erickson running 1 and 2. We got 13 Scott Hill in the 3 spot. But Jensen, he's sneaking his way here around, trying to find a way around Scott Hill, who is in the 3 as Jerry scoops up the lead here down this second straight. We got Jerry Erickson, and we got Jeff Clark Langley in the 2 spot, and a nice scooping up down. We got Dirt Demon in 5 as Erickson will take the 1, Clark taking the 2, Jensen with the 3, and I'm not too sure which demon. We've got round number 2 here. And on the track right now, we got Ingram, we got Nicholas Bouchard, we got Mark Cron, Andy Thielen, and Mike Duff. We've got Jeff Ingram. He's on point here. We got Bouchard in the 2 spot. It looks like Andy Thielen goes for a scoop up that step up, taking that 2 spot. That's yes, grassroots rider on point. Jeff Ingram, he's in the lead. Can't miss him. Nick the 3, and we got Cron in the Devlin rounding up the top 5. Good job, you guys. Don't forget, we will be on the track. We got Cruise Camp. We got Jim in the 2 spot. We got JP and David. He's coming out of that first corner. He's a factory yes rider. He's on point into that second turn. We got Jim in the 2 spot, followed by JP Barron. He's a ridge rider in the 3, and Action BMX rider. We've got Dave Bruce rounding up. He is starting to pull away as they enter the final corner. Cap still on point, taking on home, taking that first round for the male Dinos. And we got Jim styling it out in the 2 with JP in the 3 and Dave Bruce. Over Dino Dash males. Looks like we got Thielen, Mark, Thielen, we got Thielen, Cruise Camp, and who else is there? Jensen and Thiessen. Gate slams down. We've got bar action here down this first straight. That's Jensen, Cron, and Thielen. They're all heading into that first corner. Looks like Jensen popping some air down this second straight they go. We've got Andy Thielen in the Mark Cron in the 3, Thiessen in the 4, and the old dog George Cruise Camp in the 5. As we got Jensen, he's playing here, but Thielen has a corner. That's still Curtis Jensen coming out of Maple Ridge. He's going to take it on home. Here, Thielen taking the 2, Thiessen in the 3. We also got Jeff. We got Mike Defferman, and we got Jim Jameson.
Oh, Jeff.
It is down. Looks like it's still. But that's Jeff. He's yes.
Oh boy.
In the 2. That's going to be Scott Hill. Whoa, what's going on, Scott Hill? He looks like he's on a pit bike. That's a 20-inch that he's on. Scott Hill is always known to be on his cruiser, but he's mixing it up here in the Dino Dash finals. Doesn't matter what bike you're on, 20 or 24, it really doesn't matter as long as you're over. And Jeff schooling the second round here as he takes the 1. Or Mike Devlin coming out of the old school, rounding out the top 5. All right, a third rack, Dino Dash. Left down, that looks like Nico. He's got the snaps coming down this first straight. Erickson and JP Barrett. And we've got Dave Bruce. Nico and Erickson, they are bar down the second straight here, and it looks like Jerry Erickson, he's pulling away as they come out of that second corner. Richard in the 2, we got JP Barron, he's powering down this third straight in the 3, and we got Dave Bruce. Dave Bruce coming back to BMX, the top 4, but Jerry Erickson, he's running that D1 plate, that Dino 1 plate. All these other 16 or 17 Dino dash male, Artison, Richard, and Jameson. They're running the third round. Total points going to the A main or the B main. And if you don't know how total points work, first place gets 1 point, second place gets second point, so on and so forth. The rider with the least amount of points continues on to the respective main. And the gate drops down. We've got our third round here. That is Jeff Clark, Thielen, and Thiessen. They're battling for that hole shot. It looks like Clark, Top Gun's rider, he's on point. Coming out of that first corner in the lead. We got Thielen in the 2. We got Nico in the 3. And followed by Thiessen and Jameson as Clark. Clark's running away with here down that third straight. We got Thielen trying to chase him down. It looks like Thiessen on the inside of Richard for that 3 spot. And we got Jim and Nico battling out for the 4. That's going to go with Clark, Thielen, Thiessen, Erickson, and Barron. Gate drops down. Who do we got here? That looks like Cruz Camp and Erickson. They're battling down that first straight. Erickson whipping a little tail out as he enters that first corner. We got the old dog, George Cruz Camp, doing it for Factory S in the 2. We got Mark Cron in the 3 spot, JP Barron in the 4, and Mike Devlin rounding up the top 5 as Jerry Erickson coming out of that second corner. Cruz Camp in the 2, Mark Cron in the 3, Barron in the 4, and Mike Devlin rounding up the top 5. And this third round will go with Erickson, Cruz Camp, Mark Cron styling it out for you, JP Barron, and Mike Devlin. Third rack, we got Scott Hill, Jensen, Ingram, David Bruce. It is down. That's going to be a battle up front between Jeff and Scott. Coming out of that first corner, it is Scott Hill, Dirt Demons. He's in the lead. We got Jensen in the 3. We got Jeff Ingram in the 2. And we got David Bruce running at the top 4. That's Scott Hill still in the lead. Down the third straight they go. Jensen scoops up on the inside of Jeff Ingram. And it's going to be a battle down that final straight for the 2 spot. Looks like Ingram pulls it back, taking the 2. Curtis Jensen taking the 3. And David Bruce taking the 4.
$3,000 minimum trade-in for anything they can bring. I don't care what it is.
B-Day final is going to be stacked with JP Barron, Tim Thiessen, Jim Jameson, Mark Cron, Dave Bruce, and Mike Devlin. This is what it all boils down to, folks.
Styling it out there. Feeling good? Oh, yeah. I do it here and there. I like to, right? I'm talking about running. You got a little speed on it. They weren't great today. Come on, Mark.
All right, gate slams down.
It's okay, don't do that.
We got a Dino Dash B main final here. Out of that first corner, that's got to be Mark Cron. He's on point. We got in the 2 spot. That looks like Jim Jameson in the 2. We got Tim Thiessen, Dirt Demons rider in the 3. JP Barron, on Rich Meadows.
Go, Mark!
As Mark Cron, he's
Hurry.
down that third straight. They're pumping hard. He's got company coming. That is Jim Jameson. He's trying to find a way through. Same with Tim Thiessen. Scoop one from Jim. We got our A main. This is what it all comes comes down to the Dino Dash
Oh, we have a
Final 8.
we have a big
The
party.
creme de la creme.
Really?
These 8 dudes
I told
here,
them watching me do this was too fun.
they may not be the W1 or the CNAG 1s or NAG 1s or whatever like that, but you know what? They're your Dino Dash top 8 final.
Okay, you got this B, you're taping it, right? Taylor's on it. Jim needs my help on the line. Good. You need a drop.
Hey, we're taking bets. We're taking bets. We're taking bets.
We'll see.
Terry, Jeff, and Jeff and Scott.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
I don't even want to watch this.
No, especially with the, oh, and Nico's there too, eh? I forgot about Nico. Nico's got one.
Dino Dash finals in the books here. We're looking at our American Scott Hill. He is in We got Jeff Ingram in the 2, Jeff Clark in the 3, Nico in the 4, Jensen, Cruz, Erickson, down the final stretch. Jensen. Gate is down. We got 6 riders here. As these ladies take that first straight all the way down. Looks like Coral Lassard, Chaos Rider. She's on point. Into that first corner she goes. We got Dirk Demons in the 2. We got Dawn McHale in the 3. And a good battle here in the 4 between Christine and Kim, a pair of Bridge Rider moms. They're battling it out here at Langley BMX. Good to see them all here. On point still down that third straight. That is Chaos Rider. Coral Lassard, she's starting to pull away here. She's in her own time zone. This is a home track. Ahead, a Dirt Demons rider. While with Dawn McHale in the 3, that's Kim the top 4 with Christine and B. Rounding out the class here with Christine taking the 2, Dawn taking that 3, Kim the 4, Christine and Dawn, Kim and B.
Getting a superphone just got better. So going back to school,
Gate is down. Who do we got here? Looks like Coral Lassard, Chaos Rider once again. She's got the whole shot. She's putting a manual over that table down the first straight. She's out of that corner, that hill. Coral Lassard, Spitfire. She's running away with it. Christine Potovin in the 2 spot. Oh, she doesn't know manual. These dudes are egging her on. We got Christine in the 2, Dawn McHale in the 3. Oh, I don't think he is taking it away here. Got a jump and a double, taking the round 2 win with Christine in the 2, Dawn McHale taking the 3. We got Kim McDonald, Christine Barrett, and Lindsay Hawkins and Coral Lassard. Gate is down. Once again, that is Coral Lassard, Chaos Rider in the lead. And we got Christine, Kim, B, Dawn, and Christine trying to chase her down. Out of that first corner they go. Everyone's in and out nice and clean. That is Coral Lassard. She's on point. Manually now step up. We got Christine in the 2 with Dawn in a close 3. Followed by Kim, Christine, and B. Down the final stretch, Coral Lassard taking that final round with authority.